Hello traders. Today we are going to look at Nifty's performance for this week from 26 September 2022 to 30 September 2022. So we are going to discuss logically about the key levels and how the direction of the Nifty will be in this week. So you are currently looking at the screen of Pick My Stocks, which is our app. So this is the report generated for this week for Nifty. So let me zoom it so that the levels will be clearly visible. So, so you're currently seeing the levels for Nifty. So as you can see, the sentiment is sideways to negative, and the downtrend may continue or consolidate. As it is sideways to negative, it may consolidate with a negative bias. So that this trend continuation can be confirmed unless and until price stays below 17,513. So for the trade condition, if the price falls below 17,273, you can take up the trade, and the target will be 17,124 to 17,005. Just in case, if the price crosses above 17,292, there might be a pullback rally may happen. Not rally, pullback direction may happen. So the pullback target will be 17,512. And this negative sentiment will change if the price rise above 17,513, and the next target could be 17,752 to 17,919. This targets can only happen if the sentiment change, and this sentiment change can only happen if the price moves above 17,512 and if it stays there. Okay, the sideways rank is 10. So possibility of sideways for this week is excuse me. So sideways is possible, and let's discuss about the key levels like excuse me. Sorry. So by this time, the SGX Nifty closed at 17,215 on Friday. So let me move to monthly report, this month report. So according to the this month report, Nifty is bullish. That's the reason the first half of this month, Nifty rallied nicely, and according to the SGX value 17,215 was between S1 to S2 support zone. Okay, and the buyer zone is 17,154 to 554 to 17,315. So this value 17,215 falls under the buyer's zone. So we have to see whether the buyers showing some interest. We can confirm their interest only if Nifty crosses above 17,315. So we have to watch this key level. Now let's jump into the weekly report, that is coming week report. So if we see the coming week report, the support S1 is at 273 and S2 is at 17,124. So the same SGX Nifty falls in between S1 and S2. And if you check the buyer zone, it is from 17,273 to 17,291. So the price is below buyer zone. So we have to see as the current price is below the buyer zone of weekly and between the buyer zone of monthly. So almost it is falling under the buyer zone only. So we have to see if the buyers are showing interest when it reaches to this level. If the Nifty crosses above 17,300, so we could see some buying opportunities happening. I mean, buying interest is seen with the buyers. So we have to watch this level. So if it goes above, we have to see and watch this condition 17,512. It has to cross this particular value so that the sentiment can change. Otherwise, the sentiment will be sell and rise only. Now let us look at the range of Nifty, predict the range based on the at the money straddle. Now I'm going to I'm going to open sensible. Excuse me. So with the sensible, we will try to predict the range. You can see, I've already created a short straddle at the money. So you can see the range. Let me zoom it a little so you can clearly see the range. So in the break even, it says 16,999 to 17,700, which is 17,000 to 17,700. This is the range for the coming week. So in order to reach 17,700, it has to cross 17,512 first. Otherwise, it will not reach 17,700. We have to watch that level carefully. Unless it crosses 17,512, we are in a sell on rise market. Once it crosses that only, little bit of buying opportunity is there for us. So this is what the trade plan for Nifty. So hope you got some level of understanding with the key levels. So please let me know your comments in the comment section. If you have any doubts also, you can post those comments. I can reply you. And also please provide your valuable suggestion. One more thing I'd like to tell you with regards to India VIX actually. So with regards to India VIX, so whether this week is going to be volatile or not, that we can understand based on India VIX. Okay. So again, we are into Pick My Stocks app, and I've already zoomed it. So now let me open the report of India VIX for coming week and Monday. Okay. First, I will open for coming week. So as you can see, though India VIX is in a bullish, positive momentum, it is sideways to positive. Sentiment is sideways to positive. So the possibility of India VIX moving higher is very minimal. I mean, shooting up is very minimal. So if India VIX consolidates, there is a higher chance of premium getting decayed fast. So also the Nifty movement also will be arrested. Let me open Monday's report as well. Even the Monday report also sideways to positive only. So seeing the weekly and Monday report of India VIX, I strongly feel the downside of Nifty is limited, and that limit will be arrested, and Nifty will try to consolidate only. It will not try to move further down. It will try to consolidate. That's the point I want to emphasize here. Please put your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you.